Was there a proposal story?
He proposed to me in the middle of the IPL. I never wanted to marry an actor or a cricketer, like one of those famous people. I never wanted to marry. So my father, that we had got his
Background check.
He had messaged Zahir's coach, Anshuman Gaikwad. So when I was in Bombay, of course, like my dad would be awake till I would get home. Till I got married, I had to ring the bell. I never had the house keys like that to enter.
But you have such a tricky scene there when he does the India bit.
I remember the first time when, I did my lines, all he told me is like, just be yourself, just be who you are. My excuse me tone is what
He
made
replicates,
him
yeah.
kind of, so it was all
Beautiful.
about reaction. I think somewhere in Kolhapur maybe. Somebody must have teased me or something. I remember going up to my older brother and telling him that this is what has happened. So he went and spoke to that boy and dhamkaoed him.
आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे हम लोग ये मेल फेमिनिस्ट पे नायाब सा कुछ नया सा अनोखा सा क्या कर रहे हैं, तो मैं आपको बता दूं हम हैं किचन में. किसके वो देखते हैं जरा.
Now who is this?
हेलो.
And why are you in my kitchen?
हम लोग को लगा कि वी डू टॉक शोज, सो वेलकम टू हॉटफ्लाई. हाय सिद्धार्थ,
Thank
हाउ
you
आर
for
यू.
welcoming me into my kitchen.
हाँ, आपका ही घर समझो. बट मैंने सोचा कि हम लोग हाउस होल्ड चोर्स की बात करते हैं शो पे, तो हाउस होल्ड चोर्स करते करते बात कर लें.
तो आप मेरे लिए कॉफी बना रहे हैं.
हाँ, व्हाई नॉट.
Of course it's your kitchen today, so of course please carry on.
आप ये बताओ कि कितना हाउस होल्ड चोर्स का डिवीजन चलता है घर पे.
So honestly, coffee is a very important aspect in our house. Let me help you.
Didn't come on. Did it? Oh, now it did. Oh, that's the.
Got to press that.
Thank you. So Zahir bhai is the guy who's behind this business.
He loves his coffee, but I also love my coffee. But he's a bit.
But he makes
more
it for you.
when he wakes up.
That's
Before
so
me
nice,
that
yeah?
time.
बहुत ही सुंदर बात है तो नहीं.
Yeah. He.
हमेशा से जरा.
No, like whenever I wake up early, I make the coffee. Sometimes when he wakes up, he makes it, and yeah, it's sweet.
Yeah. आपका कमबैक हो रहा है मैंने सुना.
Comeback हो रहा है means स्क्रिप्ट तो एक अच्छी मिली है.
आइए अब आपको ले चलते हैं हमारे नॉर्मल फॉर्मेट में. वैलेंटाइन स्पेशल सेगमेंट है आपके साथ. हैप्पी वैलेंटाइंस डे टू ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल. बट आपके रोमांस की कहानी भी बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है यार. झटपट वो हो गया था.
Yeah, it
शादी?
happened very quickly. But I think I believe in when two people are meant to be together, it all just happens very
So
automatically.
who asked who out?
No, he asked.
He asked?
He asked.
And what was your scene? Like, were you thinking ki, oh my god, cricketer, such a staturous one in like...
Honestly, like now, I'd always said that, oh, I don't want to marry a cricketer or an actor.
Really?
I used to always say that.
And then?
So see, like I grew up in a very, from Kolhapur, grew up in Bombay, had all my friends, grew up in town. So been around all my friends who I've known for a long. So I used to always, and all my friends are not at all from the film industry. They are all very different, right? So I was very comfortable in my space. So I was like, oh, I'm going to get married to, one of the people who I've known or whatever. Like I never wanted to marry an actor or a cricketer, like one of those famous people. I never wanted to marry, but I married one.
But like, what were your dating scenes like? Were you all... Because you're both famous at that point.
So for the longest time, I don't think we had a date. So I have two friends who are boys, who are my best friends. So they used to always be with us. And then I think it just went on to an extent where Zach's like, okay, now listen, you both stay away. Me and her need to go out for a dinner or
proper
something
one,
like
yeah,
that.
yeah.
Yeah.
But was there a proposal story or is there none there?
No, there is. I mean,
So was it grand? What was it like?
he proposed to me in the middle of the IPL.
What?
No, it was, I think, he was captaining Delhi, I still remember.
क्या बात है? Like, was it like a
No.
stadium thing? No.
No,
Simple,
we are not those. We are very private people that
Yeah,
way. So,
I have realized.
so none of that.
But no conversation about religion from either of the homes?
No, not really. I think, like I said, it was more about other people around us who were making that conversation. But I think, like I said, my parents are very progressive. Of course, I mean, things were discussed, but I think for me, it was important to find the right human being who I could share my life with.
But it is generally what we end up hearing in the country, ना? तो इसीलिए ये सवाल.
No, but that's why I said we both are very, very individual as people. And I think that is the beauty of our...
तो आपके दोनों के पेरेंट्स से कभी कुछ नहीं आया?
like once Zahir met my dad, it was like it
Beautiful.
was the most beautiful relationship they had, and even with my mother, I think my mother loves him more than she loves me.
क्या बात?
So he went and met my dad first. So in fact, when
Difficult meeting for the boy.
I remember I went and told my dad I'm dating him because I was attending UV's wedding.
That's why you
And I
like come
knew
out
it was going to
the
come
world.
out. So before that, I had to go tell my father, and my father had to meet Zach. So all that had happened, and that's when we just then
Good meeting?
Yeah, it lasted. I thought it lasted for 10 minutes. I think it lasted for an hour and a half.
What they were eating together, chilling
God
together.
knows what they got along like a house on fire. When my father got to know about it, he had messaged Zahir's coach, Anshuman Gaikwad.
What?
Yeah, which he had because he's related to us.
क्या बात है?
Kaka's in some relation or the other, right? So he had messaged him, and then he had sent a message to Zahir. Oh, I heard you're friendly with my niece. And Zahir is showing me this, and he's like, I'm not replying back. I said, don't reply back. I don't know, whatever that is. Let it kind of just. So yeah. So my father actually had got his he got
Background checks
done very properly. So
Fair enough, yeah.
he's like, oh, he's one of the nicest cricketers. That is all everyone told him.
Great.
So
I mean, I think a lot of your talent also then, because it's also so public, na?
Yeah, but I think it was important for my father to do his,
The due diligence.
bit. Yeah,
fair
which he
enough.
did.
But travel अगर एक couple कर लेता है ना, मेरे को लगता है कि वहाँ वो कई सारे टिक्स उधर पा लेता है, नहीं?
In terms of?
Like when you're traveling and you have to take a public transport and you're able to do like one person take the call, that itself resolves a bunch.
So we are very clear. Like I do the planning and everything.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'm very good at, like, when we are traveling. He's just a part. Like, but for me,
He's just the person who's
no. But
coming.
for me, it is very important कि what I'm doing is I want him to know. So it's never like कि ये किया है मैंने. वैसे कभी नहीं होता. It's always like a very shared kind of a plan, because
Yeah.
I want his. I don't know. I like his approval. I like
Which is
him
superb,
being a
yeah.
part. Yeah.
I'm this person also a lot. Like I plan.
Yeah.
The approval bit I can answer with my wife, I think. It's a dual answer.
So I think it's that is important, but
Yeah.
and somehow I think just makes things very easy for both.
Is he still one of those who would just like floor you off, basically flowers, gestures? Yeah, is he a gestures person?
Zahir is very expressive when it comes to things, but he's not very expressive when it comes to flowers and things like that. No, he's not. With us, no, I think it is about spending time together. As long as we get to spend time together, I think that is the
बहुत
best.
सुंदर चीज़
That
बोली
is the
आपने.
best time. Quality of time that we spend together is most important for
I
us.
100% agree.
I think today, who I am and how I am, and everything, how I look at life is all thanks to him, because he just grounds you. He just is your safe space. He is somebody you can. That's all. There's one person I need, and that's him, and nothing else matters.
ये बताओ क्या है उनकी क्वालिटी जो आपको बड़ी भाई थी, 2-3 अगर समेशन में देनी है तो, और उनको आपकी जो भाई हो सकती है?
For me, he's the most grounded person I
Yeah.
know in my entire life. I think he's achieved so much, but yet as a person, and I think not only me, everyone around in the house, whether it's staff, they all just have so much of respect for him, because he's just he deserves it. And I think that's what attracted me to him first. He's somebody who's there for you at any time that you require. And it's not only me. Like a lot of people, even from his sports field, will call him for advice, and he'll give you the right advice. He's a very selfless person.
Yeah. आपकी क्या हो सकती है, आपको पता है? उन्होंने कभी exclaim किया आपको ये
I
चीज?
think what he likes about me is I am who I am. Even when we got married, I was very vocal about a lot of things. And I think that's what he likes about me. He knows that I don't
घुमा फिरा के.
नहीं, जो भी है direct है. And honestly, that I am like that a lot more than anybody. I'm like that with my mother.
Wow.
I'm like that with my brother, and I'm like that with him. So these three people ना, they know when I'm talking to them, this is what it is.
बहुत सही.
राइट है या रॉन्ग है वो आप देख लो. अगर रॉन्ग है तो उसको बोल दो, मुझे बोल दो कि रॉन्ग है, नहीं हो सकता. अगर राइट है तो कर लो. ही लाइक्स द फैक्ट दैट द पर्सन हु ही कन्फाइड्स इन द मोस्ट इज मी.
कि पूरे घर में बहुत ही सुंदर सुंदर छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं. ये किसकी कारस्तानी है?
So honestly, this house has been made by me and my husband. There's no interior person.
Really?
Yeah, we distribute things very properly.
So color selection
what
is yours?
you understand, you take charge. What you are good at, you take charge. And it actually is so much simpler. So he's very good with planning in terms of where the spaces are concerned. So structurally, he's very good. I'm good with the beautiful things, the colors, what needs to come where.
This painting.
So also is very much into art. He loves to like
Oh, so that's why you'll align.
research and buy things. So this is actually from his old house, which
Oh,
is
wow.
So this painting he had for a very long time in his
Perceptual
even
constancy.
yeah.
आपका एक रॉयल लिनिएज है, तो वो क्या घरों में दिखने चालू हो गए थे चीजें कि भाई ये चीजें इसलिए हैं क्योंकि हम एक परिवार से आते हैं?
नहीं, I think for royal lineage doesn't have to necessarily be what is passed down materialistically. I think for me, it is about the values. तो अगर आप अपने values लेकर इस घर में आओगे वो भी काफी है.
बहुत सुंदर.
और कुछ you don't need anything else.
हम रिसेंटली भाग्यश्री जी से मिले थे, उनकी भी lineage happens to have a royal connection. She was taught how to wear a sari at 13. Do you think there were some personas given to you as just hand-me-downs कि भाई क्योंकि आप एक परिवार से आती हो आपको साड़ी पहनना पता होना चाहिए या पहनो?
I think it is more than teaching. I think it becomes a part of you. So
Okay.
I think for me, I just saw it. It was so easy to just do. It was not about कि किसी ने मुझे दिखाया ये. And I used to love wearing a sari because I used to always see all my grandmother, great grandmothers looking so elegant, you know, wearing their chiffons and their with just pearls, nothing too heavy. कि
Yeah.
Jewelry भी पहनते थे. Like even today, they will not show their jewelry because it'll be like this.
Inside,
but
yeah.
the jewelry be inside.
Yes.
So those were the things, and these things are not taught. They just come to you because you keep seeing them around
हम
you.
तो यार देखो पॉप कल्चर से प्रेरित है ना, हमको तो जब भी रॉयल परिवार दिखाया तो खूबसूरत टाइप दिखाया कि पढ़ाई जाती है, हमको बताई जाती है टेबल पे इस प्रकार बैठना है, इतनी जोर से हंसना है, आवाज कितनी ऊंची करनी नीची करनी है, ये ऐसे वाले आपको कोई जीवन के वो नहीं दिए जा रहे थे साथ.
So like I said, I remember eating food. It was said you couldn't like sit in your rooms and eat food. You had to come to a dining table and eat food with.
यार बट एज बूमर्स और मिलेनियल्स हम तो टीवी देखते देखते भी सोफे पे बैठ के खाना खाते हैं ना, वो आप लोग नहीं करते अब फिर?
अभी तो मैं करती हूँ लेकिन कोल्हापुर में नहीं करती.
नहीं करती ना, हाँ वैसा.
But even today, I would still come down and eat food on the dining table.
That's beautiful,
Like
yeah.
special, like breakfast and all, because you know now everyone's timings are a bit different. So Zahir sometimes wakes up late, so he likes to sit there and have his. But we also have like a smaller dining table up. So, but I would prefer to sit and eat as
I
opposed
agree.
to ऐसे बैठ के नहीं खाना.
शॉर्ट्स या कोई भी पहनावा उसे कोई आपत्ति नहीं थी, टाइम किसी भी टाइम आप घर आ सकते थे या रात को इस समय से पहले घर आने वाली बात थी?
So when I was in Bombay, of course, like my dad would be awake till I would get home. I never had the keys. I would have to ring the bell. That was
तो सबको पता ही चल जाएगा कि आप आ गई.
हाँ. So that I think till I got married I had to ring the bell. I never had the house keys like that to enter. It's always been like that. So it was never कि you can't do this. You do this, but just make sure it's done in a way where everybody is comfortable and you know. So I think.
और बम्बई हमेशा से सेफ था इतना जितना आज है?
Always.
हाँ क्या?
Always. Like, I mean, I think at a time when I was in college, when I would go out with my friends and all, तो तब थोड़ा बहुत, you know, one had to be a little bit careful in terms of with my, you know, when you would come home, just to tell your dad, okay, I'm leaving now from here, so he'll take me. So all these things were very meticulously
नहीं, बट कभी
done.
रास्ते पे किसी ने कैट कॉल या छेड़ा आपको कभी?
I think somewhere in Kolhapur maybe. Somebody must have teased me or something. I remember going up to my older brother and telling him that this is what has happened. You know, so he went and spoke to that boy and like धमकाउड him.
बट कभी भी ऐसा परिवार में होता हुआ देखा जहाँ भाई को अलग सीख दी गई है कि भाई आपको इस प्रकार से दुनिया में उतर के काम करेंगे और आपको अलग किसी तरीके से?
Wow. I mean, today when I look back, today in my family, a girl and a boy have been treated equally.
Up top for your
And,
mother and your
and-
father and your family.
And not only I'm talking about me, I'm talking about even my cousins. All my cousins are, one is a brother and one is a sister, like the real
अच्छा, ऐसे
brother
combo है सब
sisters.
जगह?
हाँ. And everyone has been, in fact the girls I feel are like more stronger, yeah. Like
So
at least they
cool.
would like, the dad would be more listening to the girls more. Like today I feel, I have a younger brother, but I know my opinion matters a lot to him in
That's
how
so
we
cool.
look at things, in how we look at our family, and how we want to plan things. Like I remember when my dad was not well, and
I know.
I mean, my dad passed away in 2020. It was too much. It was a lot of load on me and my brother, right? Because
It's a loss.
yeah, and also hospitals and all is not something, you know, and you're in Bombay, a lot of your family is back in Kolhapur. Of course, you have a lot, you have the, like, you're fortunate enough that you have the right things, right people around
Yeah.
you. But just that sheer burden of how it was shared, it was equal because we've been grown up like that.
आप बहुत
No,
क्लोज
but-
थी आपके पिताजी से.
I'm close to both my mom and my dad. Both.
Yeah.
So yeah.
But that is so cool for you to give a gift to your mother as a venture. वो दिमाग
But
में कहाँ से आ रहा
again,
था?
that I have to give it to my husband.
Really?
Yeah, it was my husband who pushed my mother to do this. So it was Zahir who was, he's like, you know, she is so good, she's gifted, she's done all this for you when you were growing up. Even now, today, whatever you wear, it's your mother's, and you know, he's like, you have to celebrate her, you have to make her, and you have to empower her enough, and he's the one who pushed us.
So cool.
So I have to give it to him. He's
बहुत
the one who
सुंदर.
pushed us.
Day 1, day 100, day 1000 के बारे में कुछ बताओ.
Oh my God, it's not easy. And my brother still blasts me because he is somebody who understands business and things like that. So he's like, if you want to be an entrepreneur, you have to do this, you have to do that. And I was like, bro, I don't know. I'm trying. So,
Hey,
but
so cool, yeah, super
but
cool for trying.
But he makes it easy for me because he kind of helps me do a lot of, like, the business part of it. He is very much involved.
यार एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर 3 चीजें जो आप फीमेल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को एडवाइस देना चाहोगी.
Most important is know where your money is going. It's very important because sometimes what happens is, especially that's a mistake I made, when you start, you don't know because you're doing so many things. So you need to just be very mindful of, you know, understanding where exactly you're spending, because that's where it goes completely haywire. And then you feel you're doing everything right, and then when it comes to
Balance sheet.
yeah, then it goes. So just know your finances well, because that's hard-earned money that you're putting into your business. Second is, like, I'm doing Akuti, which is a brand, which is know your segment. So know your audience well. Who are you catering to? Because today everyone is doing a lot of clothings, and you know, they feel like everyone is going to buy their stuff. That's never the case.
Nobody gives a damn.
No, there are only few people who will buy your stuff, who will like your stuff. So as long as you know that, and you're doing things for them, you have already, even though your numbers are not matching, but you're already making a mark.
बट इतना दिग्गज स्कूल मेयो, वहां पर सेक्स एजुकेशन नहीं सिखाई जा रही थी.
It was an all girls school.
The clothes that women wear when they're playing athletic any sport, parents get a little wary about, नहीं हमारे देश में.
Right. Sports played a very important role, I think, in our family, and not only, I think, during my generation, even my dad's generation, maybe they didn't compete, but they all played sports.
एंड स्पोर्ट्स पहनावे से कभी किसी को आपत्ति, कभी किसी ने कटाक्ष, कुछ नहीं.
No, I think when you're playing a sport, you need to be in your sports gear.
Yeah.
Because that will make you, it's not about, you know, it's about your performance. It's about how agile you can be. I think for that, it's important to wear what is important to wear during playing sports. And I think because I studied in Mayo, हमारे तो shorts होते थे, हम shorts पहनते थे, इतने long socks होते थे, and I think that was a part of, and I'm so glad I experienced all of that, and it was a very important aspect in who I am today.
लेकिन प्यूबर्टी साथ में हिट करना, कई महिलाएं साथ में बैठी हैं, उसमें किसी का पहला आ जाना, किसी का बाद में आना, वो सब डिस्कशन जस्ट
100%.
हाँ, तो वो क्या कहानियां थी?
See, when you're in a boarding school, you have to understand, यहाँ पे if you you know, you get period pain or something like that, you would tell your mom and you would stay at home and not go to school that day. There, it was about going to the infirmary, the hospital, and then, you know, वहाँ जाके, so your sisters used to be there. So they played a very important role.
क्या बात है?
So
क्या
that
है,
was,
अगर आप शेयर करना चाहो तो पहले पीरियड की कहानी?
For me, I used to have lots of pain.
Really?
So
All day, day 1, day 2, any specific?
no, starting the first day was always very painful. So I think to an extent it had become this thing. Oh, Sagarika's not here this month, means she must be in the infirmary or in the hospital.
आप सेल्फीज डाल देती हो जिसमें स्ट्रेच मार्क्स दिख सकते हैं, मेकअप नहीं हो सकता है, तब कुछ सोचती हो कि आपको फर्क नहीं गिरता है?
No, not at all. See, I think it was always there where people were obviously struggling with being overweight or struggling with things on their face, but it is about, these things have become a lot more today because of the digital world where people are always looking glamorous, right? And I think that's
so much pressure.
yeah, and I had the best time doing this film that I did because I had to be a character which was so raw, which was so authentic, where it was not about doing my hair right or, you know, putting lipstick. It was not about that at all, and it was so refreshing.
क्या है आपको कमबैक का डिक्लेरेशन कर सकते हैं या डू यू थिंक इट शुड बी नॉट कॉल्ड अ कमबैक? आपका क्या वो होता है थॉट?
It doesn't matter as long as you're doing a film which you've enjoyed doing and people see it today. That's how it should be remembered as.
अगेन बिकॉज मेरे को प्रोनाउंसिएशन गलत नहीं करनी, नाम आप ही बताएं.
Lalat.
ललाट क्या मतलब हुआ?
Lalat is your takdeer, your bhagya.
बट उसमें भी तो आएंगे ना कटाक्ष लोगों के कि आपने यू नो यू कास्ट अ पर्सन हु इज फेयर लुकिंग, यू हैड टू पुट मेकअप ऑन टू लुक हर टैन. दैट कुड आल्सो बी द कमेंट्स दैट कम, नो?
At the end of the day, आपको किसी की acting देखनी है ना. Why are you discriminating a person with whether she's fair or she's dark? You see whether she's done the job well as an actor.
Fair enough.
That's all. I think for me, that's what matters. For me, the character matters. For me, the character was something that I was, I think, waiting to do something like that. And
Yeah.
and it was not about the appearance that made me take the character up. It was the character's characteristics that made me want to take up the role.
Going back to the industry time, when we were talking about that day when you transitioned from this to that side, tell me, y'all did preparations? Y'all were doing some amount of workshops
Chak De,
before Chak De?
We had almost 1 year of training.
बट शाहरुख के बारे में मैंने जितनी बार किसी महिला से पूछा हमारे शो पे, उन्होंने बोला ही इज अ ट्रू मेल फेमिनिस्ट. तो डू यू सी हिम प्रोवाइडिंग द स्पेस? डू यू सी योर डायरेक्टर, डू यू रिमेंबर हिम गिविंग द स्पेस? बिकॉज यू विल अ लॉट ऑफ विमेन, इट कैन बी अ लॉट ऑफ just strong femme energy on the set.
It was, but like now, you know what, I'm just going to go back to the time when anybody would not be feeling well or something like that. It was a very unsaid thing, but it was understood, and you know, they really made us feel like we were looked after very well.
But you have such a tricky scene there when he does the India bit, and
that
your
was my
Chandigarh
first scene.
That was your first
That
scene
was
on
my
set.
first scene.
That's such a standoff. आप पूरा
And I
stare दे रही हैं
remember,
उन्हें.
yeah, I was so nervous because that was the first scene I shot. In fact, the earlier scene that we all shot was a group scene. और group
तो उसमें
scene
शाहरुख
में-
नहीं थे.
अरे forget शाहरुख. Group scene में मैं भी ज्यादा बोलती नहीं.
हाँ, हाँ.
She didn't have much to
Yeah.
say. She was a very quiet character, right, that way. And then that was the scene that I shot, and I was so nervous. But I think it was again him who made it so comfortable. When I think of it, I remember the first time when, you know, I did my lines. All he told me is like, just be yourself, just be who you are, and just, you know, say your line the way you don't think about anything else.
Finances का समझ कहाँ से पा रही थी आप?
Finance का समझ, तो I think Zahir is very good with it. If he takes charge of it.
So he hasn't taken charge.
No, now he has.
But you have a person for it. But day one बताइए ना, जब आपको पास पहली बार paycheck आया, how much was it, if you can share, and what did you do with it?
So it was the first check was for Chak De, where it was, we used to get, so because it was, we were training, so it was not like for the film. Yeah, so we used to get, I think, 27,000 or 28,000 per month.
Decent.
Yeah. So I used to be damn happy, yeah.
This is 2004.
No,
Six.
6 or 7. Huh.
हाँ.
So I used to be very happy because I didn't have to, like, I mean, you know.
खेल के आ रहे हो.
Huh. And luckily enough for me, of course, I had my home, this. So it was not about looking after the house. It was about, it
सब
was
अपना
your
है.
money.
हाँ. पर क्या किया आप उस पैसे का?
Shopping ki hogi. No, but I still remember when I finished the film, I bought a watch for myself.
और investment opportunities explore की आपने? Other kind of areas where you could invest in, like mutual funds या stocks, etc.
100%. I mean, as
तो कहाँ
somebody,
का
as a
allocate कर रखा है
family, of
पैसा?
course, like, I mean, mutual fund is important. I think it's about putting it in different things, whether it's land, whether it's investment in stocks. It has to be a mixture of everything. I don't believe in parking all your money
In the same basket.
The same basket, because I'll tell you, I think I grew up with a lot of money being in land. Investment opportunities in terms of different businesses is great if you
Yeah.
have the right.
Are you all investing?
If you have the right bandwidth to kind of figure it out, and Zahir is quite good at it. He's more into all this, I
Yeah.
feel, and he's quite proactive in it, and he has a good sense of it. more than
Yeah.
me, I feel.
But you are also actively aware about everywhere the investment has gone in, right?
Of course.
So that is awesome.
Of course.
और
But,
क्या चाहिए?
Of course, 100%. That way, everything is very discussed. But I let him take the charge because he just understands more in that space. I'm more in the creative space. So you've got to put your energy where you understand a lot more. I feel
Yeah.
it just becomes easier.
Any unlearnings जो आपको बहुत जोर से आपको लगता था कि ये पितृपक्षी है, पेट्रियार्की है, जो एम्बेडेड है डीप इनसाइड मी, और फिर आपने बड़े होते होते उसको अपने आप से निकाला?
I think as you need to stop judging people. I think पता नहीं, when you're growing up in a all girls school, sometimes you're judging people, like, and I think as I grew older, I realized that's something that's not good.
I think as Desis only we do that a lot, no?
I don't know. I mean, you can't do that. And and the funny thing is, my father was never like that. He was always, and then I feel like that was something, I learned slowly. Like, just because somebody, like, with a group of girls, somebody's judging somebody, even you don't have to judge that person because that person has her own story,
Yeah.
which is something I learned slowly.
नहीं, कई महिलाएं हमको बता के गई हैं, पता है कि the huge chunk of perpetrators of patriarchy are also women, because उन्हीं को नहीं पता कि उनमें इतना कूट के भरा गया है.
That's what I'm saying. Like, I'm not kidding. Like, I feel like, and that is something I'm so proud of. Like, today, even if a lot of my friends, if they are sitting and they're talking about somebody just because they're judging her for something else, you need to know to distance yourself, because no, there are a lot of things which you're also doing where people are looking at you like that, right?
Yes.
And that's when you need to understand. So the same thing must be happening to you. So why are you being one of the 3 people now who's doing that too? And today's technology is making you, can make you do that. So I think it's a great opportunity, and everyone should, if you feel like, you want to take time, and, at some point you will want to be a parent, you should definitely, it's a great thing to do.
बहुत सही बोली आप. But because I was in the middle of sarahoing you, I will tell the world कि जितने 90s kids की ये क्रश नहीं, वो भी हमें कमेंट्स में प्लीज बताइएगा, क्योंकि आई एम श्योर दैट आल्सो यू मस्ट बी गेटिंग अ लॉट. नो,
After Chak Day, of course, it was fun.
No, but thank you so much for being on the Male Feminist. आपसे बात करके हमें बहुत आनंद आया. आप लोगों को क्या क्या अच्छा लगा, क्या क्या सीखे? Thank you so much for being on the Male Feminist. आप लोग प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर लो हॉटरफ्लाई को, और चलता हूँ. सिद्धार्थ आलम नाम है मेरा. बाय.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.